Hello, good morning. Achila Corporation idea. Nagaland Chief Minister Nifirio Bragwase ke Zugu Valley de Tourism Development Group karne 250 crore allocation grid thakia do hele. Dangor infrastructure banabo karne nohoy hole bi iconic project karne hi ase kushe. Chief Minister Bragushi ke local communities kan logo de detail discuss kurishe aro Zugu Valley de mega infrastructure na banabo kushe. Chief Minister Braru Gusheke 250 crore kundu sanction guri gana ase du doile Nagaland laga alag alag district te tourism development guri bo karne idu laga paisa dohi cholabo kusha Chungdia Wellness Council aro Chungdia Student Union laga request kura nishina Chungdia Busti kundu Mokokchung district laga under de ase idu busti doile tourist destination ase goi gana Nagaland Chief Minister Bra Chua Gale that 14 de declare guri she go ase Declaration do hoile AKM laga 70 General Conference kundu chungdia de luishe edu damde chanai dishe. Chief Minister Bragushi ki development aro chungdia do ile tourist destination promote kurubule laga bi tai assure gurisha. Selengrong Civil Society Organizations kamra ko aseke parent district te Indian Air Force laga operational base banabo karne ancestor laga mati 200 acres to hele affected land owners laga knowledge aro consent na thaki kana illegal bra bekai dishe ko ase press release te lamhai village core coordination committee khambra claim gure ase ke KEV pusti laga kumba individuals aro authorities khambra logai gana idu kam do kurishe ko ase aro kundu mati bekai she idu do hele lamhai busti laga jurisdiction under de ai gushe Mati begai dia do hoile land ownership laga customary law violation ase aro ekta mati bi legitimate ownership na thakibo gishe illegal ba mati bega do hoile selengrong manu logote thokai dia ase aro ancestor rights dignity aro identity ke insult kura laga ase gishe organizations kan bra aro allege kure ase ki osor laga neighboring busti kan logote bi Air Force Base banabo garne heku console noile inform noile consideration debi lo anai kusha Selengrong Civil Society Organizations kan state government kan logo de itu mamla resolve nokura takto hele iku kam age jabule nidibole laka janasha aro high level investigation gurigana kun individuals aro pusi laka authorities hobi department hobi officials involved ase taikhando hele iku bra napa jabo lagi kusha Manipur Security Force aro State Police kan melai na Myanmar origin laga 3.3 kg laga heroin do ele sis kurubule parishe ko ase local market laga hisab te edu laga tam do ele 2.6 crore laga thagishe ko ase in the social activities carry out kurubule ase koi kana information ba laga hisab te custom preventive force Chura Jambu District Police aro 37 Assam Rifles kan alert te rakhi gena accused manu chonge turishe aro tai laga gari bolilo bra 220 soap box to hele recover kurule parishe ko ase accused manu do hele narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance act 2023 laga hisab te book kuri gena idia further investigation do hele korea se gusha Jakruma Public Organizations Kambra Gwasike, Timobro Airport, Assam Rifles Kambra, illegal occupation Kuri Takiado Hele, Kali Gurule Laga Janesha. Organizations kan Bagwasike, Timobro Airfield Hele, 1987 de Indian Air Force Bra, National Airport Authority ke formerly bra Hanover Guri Dishikwase. Hanover do Hele, Squadron Leader BS Pimla Bra, Indian Air Force Laga Nam de signature Guri Shikwase. Documents kan transfer guri dia laga piche devi Assam Rifles kan bra 4 decades bra chaka do ele illegal bra occupy guri gana puija shegushe idu do ele Dimapur airport to ele expand guru bole laga development de rokhai gana rakhi ase gushe September 2025 de Assamese singer Zubin Gardo Singapore de pani bitor de tupigena murija laga upor de police coast guard laga assistant superintendent of police wa chagali Wednesday din de coroner court logo de kushi ke Zubin Gardai murija laga same de toile mutu bishi khai thagishe aro dai ke pani bra jam nukura age de life jacket dia bi tai mana guri dishe ko ase Zubin Gar murija laga de eco fall blade thakya nai koina police kan bra court te janai dishe Aje laga news to Monday wind up kuri dia ase chiti kumba manu nutun sai thakile subscribe kurobole na paribe like aro share be kuri dibi koina ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰি দি আছে। থেংক ইউ।